Okay, this is question number 57 on sheet 2. This the pedigree below shows the blood types of individuals. What is the chance that child X will have blood type AB? So here's child X. The chances of him being type AB. So we'll take a look at what the information that we have here. And what I'm seeing here is this nice little O. And we know that blood type O always has a little I for its genotype. So if that's the case, we go back to the parents of this O child, and we know that in order to have an O child, one of the alleles must come from the mom, and one of the alleles must come from the dad. Because the mom is type A, we know that she's IA anyways, but in order to have an O child, she also has to have a little I, or be heterozygous for blood type A. Blood type B over here, same thing. We know he has a B allele, and we know because he has an O child, he must also be heterozygous. So that would be the two parents there, an O child. If that's the case, then this child here in A, well, we can do it the long way and go IA, I, B, I, and see what the blood type for type A would be, and the A blood type would either be would be IAI. This would be IAIB, and this one would be II. So we know that this child here, this offspring, is IAI. And so we could have done that without doing a Punnett square, because we know that if we have type A, one allele comes from the mom, which would be the A allele, and if this child had gotten a B from dad, it'd be type AB. So we would have gotten an I allele from the dad. So we take a look over this way now, and we have two children. One's type A, one's type B. And we have a mom and dad up here that are AB and type A. So we know that AB is IA, IB. And we know that blood type A is IA, IA, or IAI. But in order to have a B child, mom has to be heterozygous, and I'll show you why. If she was homozygous, then the only types of children she can have is homozygous for type A and type AB. And so because she has a daughter who's type B, she must be also heterozygous. So if she's heterozygous, that would make the child that she has, who's type B, also heterozygous, IBI, and then that person reproduces with a male who's IAI, and it's the same cross as we already did down here. So in terms of the child who is type AB, here's our chances. It's 1 in 4, or 25%.